Our planet is a masterpiece, a delicate balance of life and beauty. But its masterpiece under threat. Every day, our choices impact the earth. Pollution, habitat loss, and climate change are changing the world. If we don't act now, we risk losing everything we hold dear. Hope is not lost. Across the globe, communities are rising up. Together, we can restore our environment. Every action, no matter how small, creates ripple of change. We need you. Join us in this vital mission. Advocate for your policy changes. Support local businesses that prioritize sustainability and educate those around you. Imagine a world where nature flourishes, where clean air and water are the norm. This future is possible if we act today. Together, let's be the change our planet needs.